all her upset and emotions aimed at me. So let me deal with this.
Please be careful.
I can't even see that. Patsy, I give you bun. I don't think so.
Well, she moved away from the other day. And then she had to tell me she can't do this no more. Just now mats up.
I mean, a whole heap of things are going in your life the other day. So, probably she get frustrated.
Yeah, but T, I solve that. I'm going in and talk to her about it. And it come like it's a deaf ears that drop on.
Yeah, but you have to remember, say, on them time that the damage go on. And before that, and you take Destiny and carry her away. Did you tell her about what going?
I never give her no detail, but she have an idea.
Okay, I will. But speaking of careful, what's happening with Miranda?
Well, she claims that she needs to get to an elite group of people that's after her. That's called F.I.S.T. But do you know that Miranda Suarez is not her real name? Her real name is actually Felicia Isabella Santana.
Torres?
F.I.S.T.
Yep. Took you long enough, my star pupil.
Bernard, is Miranda still in the holding area? Shit!
You handle that. I have a stop to make.
You tell her? Or she find out?
Well, she kind of find out still.
You see what I talk about? She frustrated. I think she has seen nobody else.
You have a point. But something wrong. Cause I tell her say Mitzi call me, see? I never tell her say Mitzi tell me nothing. So she just come out of the blue say, if Mitzi tell me say somebody come look for her. And then when me say, Mitzi never tell me that, and you tell me. She don't say nothing else, you know. She just leave.
Well, my suggestion to you is watch it. Because whatever in the dark must come to light.
But all my life stay. Can't just wait for when I dark for come to life. You know we can't wait for time.
So what you gonna do? Put surveillance on her? Yes, Vanessa? What happened? What happened to you?
Tony, come already. Whisper.